guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about 6 skincare products under rupees 100 that actually work. Yes, so I recently invested into certain skincare products and trust me you guys, all of these are rupees 100 ke niche and all of them work really well. So I've been trying these out for a while and then I wanted to sit down and show them to you along with some mini reviews. Now I would like to give a big shout out to Jyoti Sethi. She's one of my favorite content creators and she had done a video I guess a month or two back on her favorite skincare and makeup products from Nykaa under rupees 100. तो वहाँ से मुझे इस वीडियो का आइडिया मिला and I thought why not divide that video into 2 parts. So today's video is going to be skincare products under rupees 100 and very soon you will be getting a video which will be on makeup products under rupees 100 which I love. So yeah, all of these items are obviously very affordable and they really work. So I have some cold cream to show you, I have some lip balm to show you, I have some nail polish removers to show you, some hair conditioner. So everything is under rupees 100 and everything works really fantastically. So we will get started with the video in a while, but before that I just wanted to update you that I recently got jabbed. So yes, I took the first dose of the Covishield vaccine and I have actually made an entire vlog on that which is probably going to be up either before or after this video. I'm not really sure if you have already seen it. I hope you found it helpful and in case you haven't already seen it, I'm going to be uploading that video very soon. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and also hit on the bell notification icon right next to it so that you are updated each and every time a new video goes live on my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. I'm just so excited for this video you guys because I love making these affordable, pocket friendly kind of videos for you people, and this is actually the first rupees 100 ke niche wale skincare product video on the channel. So I'm super excited. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this cold cream that I got from a VLCC. It is their VLCC 3-in-1 intensive care cold cream which is whitening, moisturizing and sun protection. Now this has shea butter, argan oil and honey in it, and it also comes with an SPF of 20. Now this is what the cold cream looks, you guys. I've already used quite a lot of this product. Now the best part about this product is that it doesn't leave any white cast on your face, and I actually love using it because it is just so mild. It also has very mild smell, yet it is a pleasant smell. It is not one of those very strong smells. The ingredients are absolutely A class, like you have argan oil, you have honey, you have shea butter, all very good moisturizing, hydrating ingredients. So like you can see, I am just going to show you a little bit of application of the cream, and that's how it is. Very easily it gets absorbed. There is no white cast and it is very smooth and very mild, you guys. I absolutely love this. Now the best part about this cream is that its MRP is 65 rupees and I got it for 55 rupees. For 55 rupees I think the tub is pretty big, and you get it from a brand called VLCC which is just so cool, you guys, because VLCC has really authentic products and I love this cold cream. This has no paraben and yeah, I love using it. It's extremely mild. So in case you're looking for a good cold cream to apply once you're done with your bath, or you just want to apply something which will not only give you like mild sun protection but also give you a good amount of hydration and moisturization, definitely go for this one. Alright guys, now moving ahead, the next item that I have for you guys is actually a scrub face wash. So you can use this as a face wash and you can also use this as a scrub, and it is from the brand called Wadi Herbals. This is what the tube looks like, you guys. Now the MRP of this product is only 69 rupees and I got it for 59 rupees on the Nykaa Summer Super Saver sale. So I think this is really amazing. This has to be one of my, or probably the most favorite product in this entire video, and I do have some more items from Wadi Herbals as well. Like 3 of 6 items in today's video is from Wadi Herbals. So yes, it is a very affordable brand and I've tried their foot cream, I've tried their hand cream, I've tried their under eye cream. Oh my god, all of their items are super duper good. So if you're looking for some really affordable skincare, you can definitely check out this brand. So this is what the tube looks like. You have 60 ml of content in here, and guys, I have to say this, that I absolutely love using this scrub face wash on me. Now this of course has strawberry which helps exfoliate your skin, exfoliate and bring out your dead skin cells. and you have mulberry extract in this as well, which helps hydrate your skin. Now when I read the description of this product on Nykaa, it said that it helps fight flaky and dry skin, which made it very suitable for my skin because I have dry skin. So I generally feel a little scared to apply, you know, face scrubs, because face scrubs are generally extremely drying and it makes my skin itchy. But this is one of those scrubs which I can actually use on a daily basis, because this actually helps fight flaky skin because of the mulberry extract in it. And of course it's very affordable. It has this amazing smell. Oh my god, it smells of proper strawberry. Amazing smell, very very good quality, you guys. If you actually are looking for a good face wash or a good scrub, and you know, you don't want your skin to feel very dry after the scrubbing experience, definitely go for this one. You will not be regretting it. You will be getting it on some sale during the sale days also, but it already is very inexpensive. This is just for 69 rupees, which I think is amazing. So yeah, I love this product, and this is probably the most favorite product in this video. Alright you guys, next up I have a very unique and a very different product to show you guys. Now this is something which I have used for the first time, and trust me, I have had such a good experience that I just can't stop myself from using it. It is the nail and cuticle oil from Wadi Herbals. This is what it looks like, you guys. Now the MRP of this product is rupees 75, but I got it for 64 rupees in the Nykaa Summer Super Saver days. So basically I can see a pattern here. On all these inexpensive products, you still had a 10 rupees discount. So it was not really required because all of these items were already below 100, but because sale चल रहा था, मुझे और 10 रुपए का छूट मिल गया in all of these products. So this is the first time that I have tried this product, you guys. You are actually gonna see that there's oil in this product, and this is something which I didn't know I needed in my life. But guys, trust me, after this purchase, I really feel like yes, I do need this in my life. Guys, this has jojoba oil, vitamin A, vitamin E, and shea butter, which makes it like very very hydrating. This helps strengthen your weak and thin nails. So in case you have thin and weak nails, and you know, you've applied fake nails, and you've sort of tortured your nails and not given them the proper nourishment, this will definitely come very very handy. And also, if your cuticles sort of peel off, and if you keep getting these skin peels like very frequently, this is something which is gonna be really really helpful. So I'm just gonna show you how I apply this to my nails. Okay, so I basically apply it on this region and also on my entire nail. So that's personally how I like to use it, and I do that for all my nails. And trust me, if you do this overnight and you sleep, next morning you will wake up and see that you've got much healthier nails, and they will look much more healthy and strong. And also you will not be seeing any peel offs coming from here, because this has vitamin A and vitamin E, which helps strengthen your nail and your cuticles. So I completely love this product, and also this is just for 64 rupees. So I think you can definitely add this to your vanity, because if you are into a lot of nail paints and fake nails, this is something which you will definitely love using. Next up, the product that I'm going to show you is again from Wadi Herbals. So this is their strawberry lip balm with the ultra moisture lock formula. This is what the lip balm looks like, you guys. This is this mini tub. So you have 6 grams of a product in here, which is not really bad. You do have quite a lot of product in here, and this is actually available in a lot of other very interesting variants, like I think they have mint, lychee, orange, all of those flavors. But I personally like pink tint, and I personally really enjoy using strawberry lip balms. Hence I got this one the first time that I'm trying this, and I am completely loving this lip balm, you guys. This is just so moisturizing. The tint is not very heavy, of course, like I will of course show you a swatch, so you don't get like a very heavy tint. You have a very halka pink tint. I don't even think you can see it on camera right now, but yes, it does have a very light pinkish tint, but it is very very hydrating, very very moisturizing, because this has absolutely amazing ingredients. So I will just read out the ingredients to you guys. This has vitamin E, organic honey, this has soya oil, and this also has pure almond oil. So this has very good ingredients, you guys, which are absolutely amazing for your lips, and your lips will be hydrated for a long time. You will not have to keep reapplying this lip balm. So I completely love it. Has a very mild soothing smell as well. So I just read up recently that our lips actually don't have natural oil glands, you know, inside them, because of which they go so chapped and they become so dry, because our lips do not have oil glands. So moisturizing our lips becomes very important, and when I decided to do this under rupees 100 skincare video, I had to include a lip balm in this one. So this costs only ₹58, but on sale ये मुझे ₹49 का मिला. So again a ₹10 discount. Even though this is so inexpensive, मुझे another ₹10 का discount मिल गया. So under ₹50, I think this lip balm is super amazing. I'm gonna give you the sum total later on, okay? Because I'm gonna be adding up and I'm gonna be showing you कि मुझे इतने सारे products actually कितने के मिले. So let's move on to the next product now. Okay, so next up I have this hair conditioner from Garnier Ultra Blends Intense Repair Conditioner. This has soy milk and almonds in it. Now this helps repair and restore damaged hair. This is paraben free and made of natural extracts. This is what it looks like. Now the MRP of this conditioner is ₹80, but I got it for ₹44. So I got a massive discount on this one, and it turned out to be such a super duper cheap hair conditioner, you guys. Now I love using this conditioner. This has a fantabulous smell, like a very mild smell of almonds and soy milk, and this makes my hair very, very soft. So if you have dry hair, colored hair, a little damaged hair, if you have split ends, you can definitely go in for this conditioner. It's very, very inexpensive, and this is from Garnier, so you have a brand value attached to this as well. I completely love using this conditioner, and I will definitely be recommending it because this is not only inexpensive, this really does its job well, you know. So you can definitely go ahead and use this one. Now the last item that I have for today's video is actually a nail polish remover. Now I don't really think it is a skincare product, but it is not really a makeup product also, so I had to include it in this one. This is the nail enamel remover from Faces Canada. So the MRP of this is ₹90, but I think I got it for either 80 or 85. Now I recently used it to remove the nail paint off of my toenails, and this works so well. Like you will literally have to give just one swipe and your nail paint just vanishes. I love such nail paints जिसमें मुझे ज्यादा कसरत ना करना पड़े, and you know एक बार में ही पूरा nail paint चला जाए. This is definitely one of those nail paints. Now this has vitamin E, which I think is one of my favorite ingredients, and मेरे सारे skincare products में आप लोगों ने notice किया होगा कि vitamin E होता ही होता है because it's nourishing and it's, you know, repairing. This is acetone free, which again is great, and it instantly removes nail enamel, and it doesn't leave nails dry after application. This has ethyl, IPA, vitamin E, and yeah, this is from Faces Canada. I think it is one of the best nail paint removers that I have used. The other good ones would be the one from Color Bar, which is great, but it is a lot more expensive than this one. So if you're looking for a budget friendly nail enamel remover, you guys can definitely go ahead and purchase this one. You will not be regretting it. I just want to tell you that all of these items are so inexpensive, and if you guys are in college or if you're just saving up your pocket money and you want to buy like cheap inexpensive skincare for yourselves, please go ahead and try all of these. And I'm gonna be flashing the sum total of the products that I paid, the amount that I paid for all these 6 products right here, so you can just divide and see per item मेरा average कितना expenditure हुआ होगा. Please calculate that. I think it was very, very inexpensive, and I loved doing this video. I loved using all of these products, and very soon I'm going to be filming the under ₹100 makeup products that I love video, and I'm going to be bringing that up for you as well. Hi guys, so while editing this video I realized that those skincare products जो कि under ₹100 है वो तो मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाया ही नहीं है, and I really didn't want you guys to miss out on these 2 products as well. So basically these 2 are bonus products, and कुल मिला के मैं आप लोगों को आज इस वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ 8 products, okay? 8 products जो कि under ₹100 है, skincare products that really work. So the 7th product is this Streaks का hair serum, which has walnut oil, a hair polishing and smoothing serum for soft and silky hair. This is what this product looks like, and this is a baby product, I know. इसमें आपको 45 ml product मिल जाता है. I think the MRP of this is ₹55, and I got it for ₹47 if I'm not wrong. I think by this time I have already used this product for 2 months, and you can see कि मुझे 2 months में ये कितना लगा है. I shampoo twice a week, which means I shampoo 8 times in a month. तो हाँ, 16 times में मेरा इतना ज्यादा ही यूज हुआ है. इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट अभी भी बचा हुआ है. I'll tell you why, because hair serum में you hardly need 2 drops and उससे आपका काम हो जाता है. Just ensure that you apply this on your damp hair, not your dry hair. So when you come out of your shampoo, no, you have apply this on your damp hair only, and trust me, it makes your hair very soft, very silky, and tangles भी ये prevent करता है. So it's a very very good hair serum. L'Oreal के भी अच्छे hair serums आते हैं and Livon के भी अच्छे आते हैं. But if you're under a budget and आपको quantity भी अच्छा खासा चाहिए, I think you can definitely go for this one because 47 rupees के लिए this is just bomb. The last product, which is the 8th product and the second bonus product जो मैंने आज edit करने के बाद realize किया कि मैंने आप लोगों को नहीं दिखाया है, is this amazing face pack. Now I really wanted to include a face pack for this video because skincare face pack के बिना बिल्कुल ही अधूरा है. So the next is this a lemon honey face pack from the Body Care. Now I wasn't really aware of this brand. I had never heard of this brand actually, but when I was shopping specifically ₹100 के नीचे वाले skincare products ना, I found this face pack and I was so intrigued by it. You know why? Because of the ingredients. This has multani mitti, this has lemon, and this has honey. 3 of the best ingredients you can use for your face pack, you know. And this really helps brighten up your skin, gives you that natural boost of glow, and it is amazing. Like it is so mild and it is so amazing to use this. And this almost looks like the Mamaearth का Upton face mask. ये वैसा ही दिखता है. This is what the product looks like, and I think you have 50 grams of content here if I'm not wrong. And I think for the price, this is amazing. Price मैंने आप लोगों को बोला नहीं है. I think इसका MRP ₹69 था, and what I paid for this is ₹52. And आज मैंने check किया, ये ₹55 का आपको मिल रहा है नायका पे. So I definitely don't want you guys to miss out on these 2 products as well. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will be mentioning the direct links of all these amazing 8 skincare products in the description box below, जो आप लोगों को जाके चेकआउट करना है. And do let me know if you liked the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love. Bye bye.